What'd you break?
I just about drilled myself in the stomach.
You bleeding?
I might be.
You got them all?
Yeah. There's no way he has them all. He ain't got none on the roof.
You got room in the cab for any?
This time I didn't have to.
Oh, okay, good.
I didn't have to put it on the cab.
Right.
You know, it's gonna look kind of rednecky, so I'm gonna put me a tire deal on top of the roof.
Yeah, tire rack on the roof. All right, take care of our tires, all right? Don't sling any out.
Take them to the spa.
There you go.
Get them on my side.
Take care of them. All right. There go our tires for the weekend. Is that all crate tires? He's got to put, yeah, he's got to put super tires on there. We're going back super late model racing this Saturday night, March 27th at Tri County Speedway in Pollard, Alabama. This is the new car, the super late model. It has been raced twice now. And hard racing for sure. My wife's calling me, uh-oh. She's gonna have to wait a minute. Doubleheader at Southern Raceway was when we debuted this thing 2 weeks ago. Second on the first night, third on the second night. Now it's time for some more Southern All-Star Super Late Model racing up at Tri County. All right, so in that race, that Southern Raceway, that doubleheader, we had some solid contact to our left front a couple times.
Physical, man.
Yeah, it was a physical event for sure. Anyway, we're checking for bent ball joints. Did we check the toe already? Like before we got it in there? Hey, don't drop it. Toe was straight, or where it needs to be. All right. All right. Well, it moves around nicely. All right, let's help him. Got it?
Hope it don't fall.
Yeah, it'd knock you right in the hand.
That mug straight.
Hold on, let me get down here where we can see it. Hold on, hold on. Look straight?
It's straight.
What y'all think? Look straight to y'all? You already did the top. It was good.
I don't know, it kind of wobbled, but
Ooh.
I'm not 100% sure.
Ooh, we got another one?
Yeah. I got a topper. Topper ball joint.
Might better replace it just to be safe.
Well,
Can't be having a bent ball joint.
We'll get our opinions on it.
Alright.
I don't like how much water is in this one.
Didn't have enough grease in it. You want the gun while you got it apart? Okay.
Hold on one more. There. You like that?
Yeah.
That much more better?
That's more better than good. Get all the water out of it?
Yeah, I think it's good.
Alright. Anyway, we're gonna do some body work. Definitely gotta do some body work. This was a brand new body 2 races ago. But where we're going is kind of a tight track. And I think I mentioned this in the last video. They've done some reconfiguring, so we're anxious to get up there and see that at Tri County. But it's still, I know, gonna be a tight track. One of those you kind of gotta scrap for position. Don't you think, Joseph?
Hope not.
Hope not. Yeah, well, we'll see. But anyway, so all we're gonna do is beat the body out and put it back on for this race.
I'm gonna pull this top one back off.
Check it. That is a nifty tool right there. Beats the heck out of beating the heck out of it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Simple as that. I don't know. I mean, if we think it's bent, let's just replace it if we got another one.
Nah, it's straight.
It's straight?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's straight. That's straight as an arrow. So y'all remember we already replaced, what did we have to replace? Spindle?
Lower and lower ball joint after the first night.
Okay, so after the first night on this thing with the 89 car, that contact, spindle, lower, and the lower ball joint. It didn't bend the tie rod?
Yeah.
And a tie rod. So that's already been replaced on this car. Did we order spare stuff?
Yeah.
All right, and we got spare stuff to replace that. Oh yeah. Just like new. Hey, don't let it get away from me.
Okay.
Oh, Jesse made it.
I'm here.
Everybody's mad at me. We didn't tell them where your car was.
Oh, really?
Or they're not mad, they're just wondering. We left them hanging. It's in safekeeping. That's all I know. All right, so our left front's good, by the way. I know you were worried, Jesse.
Yeah, the toe's good. We checked the
Yeah,
toe.
we just checked the ball joints. They're straight. So we ain't gonna do any change in there. We're gonna assume everything's straight. The body ain't straight, though.
Hey, why'd you put this cup on your car? Y'all see this?
Clearly
He took
designated.
my cup, put it on the 10 car.
It's making it faster. Your cup, that is.
I'm eating Cheetos. Don't keep on.
Hey, don't pull our tape off of there.
I hate to do it.
Gotta do it. Couldn't stay on there forever.
No.
They'll help.
Yeah.
There you go, you got it. There's our bent up driver's side door. No, but in all seriousness, Jesse's car is it's in safekeeping. Not gonna tell y'all where just yet. We just wanted to make room. We wanted to make room. We had, right before Bristol, we had to finish this car up for Southern, and we had to get that car ready for Bristol. So we just made room. We got it out of the
We
way.
had stuff everywhere because we were
Yeah.
doing the whole new deck and body.
Yeah, so we just made room and took Jesse's car to a safe place. But it will be back soon. I promise.
I promise.
There you go. Watch him.
There we go.
You dangerous.
Yeah, that was wild, wasn't it?
Ooh, we got bent up our deck piece too. We're going to have to work on that a little bit. That's probably going to come off.
Yeah.
Maybe this one even. We can probably straighten that on the car. You missed a spot. Would you break?
I just about drilled myself in the stomach.
You bleeding?
I might be.
Rim it back out. Turn it backward.
I am
You worried?
a little bit.
It might be one of those things you don't realize it, but you hurt. Jesse, look at it. You good? Look, I just gave you that shirt. This was my shirt Jesse borrowed. Look what he did. You
Oh
dummy.
my gosh, I wasn't thinking
You clearly.
that the door wasn't on it. I just about freaked. Well, I'm about to go to the hospital.
No, you'd have to just put a piece of tape over it.
Hey, anytime that you're drilling in this kind of fashion, make sure that you always stand clear of the drill bit.
Or,
you know?
yeah, exactly.
I've learned from just life past experiences.
There, that's how you do it. So you had an example of how not to do it, and how to do it.
Talk about informational. I'm drilling out this rivet hole right here.
Gosh,
And
I see where that's going.
Yeah,
You
you
drill a
see.
hole in your shirt.
He drilled a hole in his belly.
I just looked on the floor and there's a ball of hair. I ripped the drill bit.
That's close.
Oh, it was close. I paused. I was like, Jonathan, that was close.
Yeah. Well then, guess what he did on the very next rivet?
I was on a rivet. I mean, that's all. I didn't do nothing but drill a rivet.
Okay. Okay.
I'll leave y'all alone in here for 5 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Walk outside. 5 minutes.
I'm a liability. That's what you That's the word I was trying to think of earlier.
There's your deck piece.
Let me have that. Hey,
There you go.
Okay, well.
Tired of people saying I don't do nothing now.
No, it's probably safer if I don't do that.
You're right. You just hold that camera and try not to break it.
You say you're tired of people saying you don't do anything?
Yeah. I was joking, but not really, yeah.
But not really.
I'm tired of people saying I don't do that right here. Dang it.
Oh, yeah. That was enough. Do it, Jonathan. There you go.
I didn't do that.
I didn't. No, I probably did.
All right, ready? You're right side forward. Grab that forward pan.
Oh, yeah. Here.
Hey,
Dang, you got ribbons.
don't hurt yourself.
I'll try not. One race, no, two races, and we got a scrapyard.
Fire driver.
Who? Beat on deck pieces a whole lot.
Right, you just gotta straighten it. You gotta work it. All right, car is stripped down. Our poor new beautiful car. Didn't even make it one race weekend, and everything's stripped off of it. All right, while we have this deck piece and all off, let's go ahead and put our seat over in here. Shall we? Shall. The seat situation right now is, y'all saw us go to Butler Built a couple months ago. Chris Ferguson, one of the winners from Bristol, night one of the Super Late model, he measured us and got us fitted for seats. We're still waiting on those. So in the meantime, we got our old seat, Joseph's old seat, that's going back and forth between cars. The good news is, all it is, we're unbolting the bracket and it bolts right in without a problem. You remember which hole it was in? Two of them got marks. Alright, there is our seat. Ready to go in. Try not to scratch it. There you go.
Oh man, that was too easy.
It's a lot easier when you got half the body out of the road. Alright. And that's it right there. You gotta come back, I think. But anyway, y'all see where it bolts, two bolts. One bolt through there, one through there, and it's got two bolts and a mount on the bottom connecting it to the frame.
Got it?
Hold on. Alright, go.
Got it?
Yeah, go. That'll hurt your ears.
Alright, now I'll get it back up.
Okay. Alright, so the seat is in there. Hey. There you go. Waiting on him to quit banging a second. We decided to take, he won't quit banging long enough. Talk. What do you need, Drew? We decided, I think he's doing that purposefully. We decided to take this piece off the deck as well.
He is doing it. He's laughing.
I know how he is.
At first I wasn't.
All right, we were after eyeballing this, we decided it needed to come off too. But the seat's in. Now all we gotta do is straighten every piece of the body and put it back on. There you go. Yeah, she's about back together. A little dimply and wrinkly.
Yeah.
Got cracks and crevices everywhere. Watch your finger. Bound and determined to hurt himself today. All right, there it is, back together. It looks like a race car again. It looks battle tested now, if you ask me. Tried and true. We will be putting Vonbohn Products on here. So we got that nice and, what are you doing? Silly. Vonbohn Products will be going on there, so we got the sticker coming for that. And we got these straight enough. Joseph, you were just in the way. And we got these straight enough. We'll be putting Marshall Industrial Technologies on the quarter panels as well here for a few more races. So thanks to those guys. Links are in the description to their websites. Other than that, we're going racing. We're going to try to practice tomorrow night. If it ain't doing this tomorrow. The weather forecast, they're practicing Friday night, but the weather's not looking great. I think Saturday we're going to be all right. Right? Looking like it? Yeah. So we should get to race. Not sure if we'll get to practice. But if we do practice, we'll have y'all a video. Otherwise, we'll be having a video from the race Saturday night. Southern All-Stars. 4,000 to win with this one. You ready? Is that a thumbs up? There you go. All right. He says he's ready. All right. There it is. It's back together. Hey, Troy made it. And Blue's coming this weekend, right?
Flies in tonight.
There we go. Just in time. All right. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you later.